Hey Auto Rush family. Welcome back to the channel where we bring the drive to your screen. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto. The compact king of Indian roads just got a refresh, and we're here to see if it still holds the crown. Designed 021 to 120. The 2025 Alto comes with a more modern and slightly aggressive look. A sleeker grille, sharper headlamps, and a bolder bumper give it a fresh urban vibe. While it still keeps its compact footprint, the new design cues make it feel more premium. You'll also notice new dual-tone options and 13-inch steel wheels with stylish covers. Basically, it's still that familiar Alto we all know, just better dressed and more confident. Interiors and features 121 to 220. Step inside, and you'll see Maruti has kept things simple, but with a touch of smartness. The dashboard layout is clean. There's a 7-inch SmartPlay Studio touchscreen infotainment system, USB and Bluetooth connectivity, and steering-mounted controls. Don't expect luxury here, but for city rides and daily commutes, it's more than enough. Oh, and the cabin space. Still surprisingly roomy for a small car. Performance and mileage 221 to 330. Under the hood, the 2025 Alto packs a tried and tested 796cc petrol engine, now tuned for better efficiency and BS6 Phase 2 compliance. It delivers around 47 horsepower and 69 Nm of torque. Not a racer, but zippy enough for city traffic. You get both a 5-speed manual and an AMT option. The clutch on the manual is super light, making it city-friendly. The suspension handles speed bumps and potholes decently, though you'll feel it on rougher patches. Now the real gem, the mileage. Maruti claims 25 km/l, and even in real-world conditions, you can expect around 22 to 23. That's wallet-friendly magic right there. Safety 331 to 4 o'clock. In terms of safety, you get dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a strong hardtech platform. It's basic but aligns well with the segment expectations. Unique selling point 401 to 430. What makes the Alto stand out in 2025? Its reliability, unbeatable mileage, low maintenance costs, and now, a refreshed design with smart features. For first-time buyers, students, or anyone looking for a budget city car, this is still a solid pick. Verdict 431 to 5 o'clock. So, is the 2025 Maruti Alto still worth it? If you're looking for an affordable, efficient, and easy-to-drive hatchback, absolutely yes. It's not fancy, but it gets the job done with legendary consistency. Outro 501 to 520. Thanks for watching this review on Auto Rush. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more no-nonsense car content, and drop your thoughts about the new Alto in the comments below. Catch you in the next ride. Let me know if you'd like a shorter version for YouTube Shorts or a voiceover style script.